In the meantime, the Minister of National Security is monitoring the investigation being conducted by the FLA. Also speaking on RJR's hotline today, Security Minister Robert Montague argued that the amount of ammunition requested was unusually high.
The experts have advised me that if you fire 12,000 rounds within a short space of time, it changes the ballistic signature of the weapon. And therefore, I believe the FLA would be in its right to request those weapons to have them retested and to update the ballistic record.
Will there be sanctions for Rudyard Spencer? That's the question this evening, as Prime Minister Andrew Holness has rebuked the comments of the State Minister. Pandering to JLP supporters at a meeting, Mr. Spencer alluded to partisan distribution of state resources from the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, now that a JLP supporter, Michael Stern, is that agency's chairman. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm sought reactions from the Prime Minister today and now joins us live. Andrea?
Thank you very much, Doreen. Well, since Mr. Spencer made the controversial and political remarks at a JLP meeting at Belfield High School in Manchester on Sunday, March 18, several stakeholders, including the National Integrity Action and the opposition PNP, have been speaking out. But first up, the comment causing commotion.
You know, I'm a Labourite being the chairman of RADA. So whatever problems you used to have, I believe no, most of the problems or those problems would have gone away because you have your own manager to assist in the management of RADA.
The controversial section of a speech by the JLP's Rudyard Spencer, who is also a state minister in the finance ministry, fueling condemnation from several quarters and forcing the Prime Minister's intervention.
I think the statement by Minister Spencer, by the way, I have not yet had a chance to speak with him, given I was tied up with budget issues yesterday. But I have reviewed what is in the press, and what I've heard in the press is absolutely not supported by me, the government that I lead. This administration does not support, endorse, or practice as a routine the distribution of public taxpayer resources based upon political partisan considerations.
So the Prime Minister says he will remind his ministers of that fundamental principle, a principle that political supporters should also understand. For now, though,
I have to meet with Minister Spencer on this matter. For natural justice, I want to hear his side of the issue. And yes, I will be giving him some directives.
Time will reveal the nature of such directives, whether it's through sanctions, an apology, or whatever is appropriate. The political ombudsman has summoned Mr. Spencer to a meeting on Friday, March 23, saying his remarks are grounds for investigation as they appear to be in breach of the political code of conduct.